What is the proper order for using body scrub and soap in my skincare routine?
Welcome to our video. Today, we're going to demystify a common question in the world of skincare. What is the proper order for using body scrub and soap? Believe it or not, the order in which you apply these products can make a significant difference to your skin. Let's dive right in.
Understanding the purpose of soap and body scrub.
Firstly, it's essential to understand what these two products do for your skin. Soap is designed to clean your skin, removing dirt, sweat, and excess oils. On the other hand, a body scrub is a type of exfoliator that removes dead skin cells, promotes skin rejuvenation, and aids in better absorption of body lotions or oils.
So, which comes first?
In your skincare routine, you should always use soap before the body scrub. Using soap first helps clean the skin surface, removing the initial layer of dirt and sweat. This allows the body scrub to work more effectively when it's applied afterwards.
How to properly use soap and body scrub.
After wetting your skin in the shower, apply the soap and rinse thoroughly. Then, follow with your body scrub. Take a small amount of the scrub and rub it onto your skin in a circular motion, which helps to boost blood circulation and remove dead skin cells. Don't scrub too hard, as this can irritate your skin. Finally, rinse off the scrub. Your skin should now feel refreshed and smooth. So, the answer to the big question, what is the proper order for using body scrub and soap? Is soap first, then body scrub? This order ensures the most effective cleaning and exfoliating action for healthier, glowing skin. We hope this video has been helpful and clarified your skincare routine. Happy scrubbing!